Hi guys, good morning. We're already on our way to Badian, right? This is Hannah, one of my colleagues. We're
See, Liza, guys, see?
yeah.
See me
So we're
now.
taking the V-Hire or van for hire going to Mualbual. Then from Mualbual, we're gonna ride the multi-cab, which is the public utility jeepney going to Badian. And we'll be going to Lambug Beach, which is a hidden paradise in southern Cebu. So we're gonna see you later. Bye. Hi guys, finally we're here in Walbual and we just rode the tricycle going to Banshan or Lampu. guys, so while waiting for my colleagues, one of my colleagues here went to 7-Eleven just for him to get some money from the ATM, and two of my colleagues went to the nearby eatery for us to get some more food for lunch, which happened to be lechon manok, and we already have our hanging rice here, right there. So later on, we're gonna have another adventure. So I'll see you guys later here in Big Gear Tours. Bye. What the hell? Eh. Subscribe. Hey guys, it's a long queue. Yeah.
Morning!
Good morning.
Kumusta?
Okay ra.
Okay lang po.
Mabayo.
Ayo!
Alright.
Super! Cheese, no?
Oh, hello. Sorry. Nice. Salamat kuya. Bye kuya. Bye bye. Biyahin na sila. Bye-bye.
Lagi lang ko sa kamoke.
Hello!
Dari na dapit.
Hoy, bukat ang totoy ni Hana! Ang totoy ni Hana bukat!
go, guys. I hope you did enjoy that adventure that we had here in Lambug, located here in Bandian, Cebu, which is about 3 hours away from Cebu City down south. So, for just quick tips about this trip, if you would really like to go or come here directly, you can definitely bring your private vehicle because the resort itself has a parking space. It's a long stretch of white sand, so there's no like a beach resort yet or hotels available, but there are huts or nipa huts where you can spend a night. You can also bring with you your tent if you wish to, and of course for a cost-effective trip. Aside from that, we also brought our own food and just rented a cottage for 500 pesos, and that's a day use. And then aside from that, we also had a quick banana boat ride. Unfortunately, the boat that would drag the floating banana is currently jammed, so we were not able to enjoy the ride itself. But don't worry, I think they're gonna fix it right now. Let me just show it to you really quick. There. So they're fixing it right now, but I'm not sure if they can fix it while we're still here. So the place itself is really a paradise, especially if it's a sunny day. Unfortunately, we came here with a very gloomy day, but still we enjoyed the place itself. So for more information about this trip, I'm gonna put that on the description box, so please don't forget to check on that. And for more of my adventures, please follow me on Instagram. That's JC Echo. That's J for Juliet, C for Charlie, ECHO. And I'll be glad to see your comments there. And you'll definitely see my adventures and some of the artistic photos that I have on my trips. So aside from that, if you already got here or you already visited Lambug before and you would really like to give your suggestions or tips about it, please put that on the comments below so we can also read that through, and I'll definitely get back to you. So thank you very much for watching Big Ear Tours. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? So you have a great day, and again, bye. Okay guys, just behind the scenes on this great adventure, let me just show you my friends. So Day, pila gay itong plite?
Hi! Pinapliti sa
Bihar.
120. Pero stop ra ka sa Moalboal, then you can just ride tricycle or multicab going to
Coming to
Badyan,
Lambug.
Lambug.
Yes. And good thing ang amuang nakuha nga tricycle kay medyo pakyaw na siya. 70 pesos per person from Moalboal nga V-Hire stop coming to Lambug, diretso na siya.
Correct.
But
if
that's
you
just
want-
one way.
Yeah. But there's a cheaper one. Kaya nag-ask ko sa ni Kuya Banana Boat
Okay.
na from Moalboal to Multicab is 15 pesos. Yeah. From the highway going to Lambug, kasi sunod man ang Lambug, tricycle, another 15. So, bali mga 30 pesos.
That's 30 pesos per person. So that will be a cheaper one. Pero nakabarato na gyapon niya to kay stop over man ni sa ilang merkado. So I know guys, we are talking in Bisaya, but I'll definitely put a subtitle for other people to understand what we were talking about, okay? So any vlogs that you'd like to do? Shout out. Ay, by the way, shout out Walter Dino and GJ Buford.
Michael Scar and Person Mine.
Okay, so thank you very much guys again for watching Big Ear Tours with Katrina. Some of my colleagues, Mike, Jik,
Hannah out there.
Hannah, somewhere right there, that girl. Okay? So thank you very much for watching again Big Ear Tours. You have a great day. Bye!